Hi, I'm Glenn Cheriton, the President of the Canadian Equal Parenting Council, and I'd like to talk to you about parental alienation. Parental Alienation Awareness Day is April the 25th. Parental alienation is a series of perverse tactics by unhealthy parents, generally related to divorce or separation, which tries to drive another parent or relatives out of the life of a child. Parental alienation must be distinguished from concerns of a parent about real child abuse. But make no mistake, parental alienation is real child abuse. The aim of the alienating parent is to get the child to reject or even hate the other parent. This can make access by the rejected or target parent difficult or impossible. The child's rejection often includes grandparents and other members of the target parent's family. The child's feelings may be induced by negative comments by the alienating parent. Often the rejected parent is baselessly accused of sexual, physical, or other abuse by the alienating parent or by the child. It is important to distinguish between real and imagined alienation and also between real and imagined abuse by a proper investigation. Parental alienation, like all abuse, is abuse of power. Parental alienation occurs because one parent is given sole control and abuses parental responsibility to keep sole custody. If both parents are treated with equality and respect by courts and professionals, it is more likely that both parents in a conflicted divorce can work through this vulnerable time of separation and remain as parents. Thus, the task of courts and professionals under best practices is to educate parents on conflict resolution skills. Their job is to move the parents to collaborative positions where they can negotiate their own solutions to problems, preferably with both mother and father equally parenting as far as practically possible. With an equal parenting presumption written into law and equality and respect enforced in legal procedures, incentives for conflict are reduced. The extremes of parental alienation can be moderated or eliminated in many, if not most, conflicted cases. Equal parenting discourages most cases of parental alienation from escalating. Good incentives encourage parents to make their own decisions. Good incentives mean no parent is coerced into losing their children. Collaborative parenting is rewarded. There are consequences for alienating children from the other parent. Severe cases of parental alienation can arise from mental illnesses such as paranoia, obsessions, or simply uncontrollable hatred or revenge against the target parent. In such extreme cases, parental alienation is child abuse, and removing custody from the alienating parent may be necessary to protect the child's relationship with the target parent and extended family. So, parental alienation can be reduced or stopped with best equal parenting practices. And here is what you can do. Demand that courts, social services, and child protective services treat both parents with equality and respect. Demand proper forensic investigations. Demand consequences for parents who abuse children. And this includes physical abuse, sexual abuse, neglect, and emotional abuse such as parental alienation. Thanks, and I hope you're with us for the love of our children.